I know you guys can't really see me well, but I'm just about to leave work. It is a little past 11 p.m. and it's Friday, and it's so peaceful outside. Just listen. Got the frogs in the background. There's the light rain. Oh, it's perfect. So eerie and peaceful at the same time, and I absolutely love it. I'm home, Livy, I'm home. Let's see, where's the best lighting? You can see the little white blobs. Oh, yay for the Livy. You can't go in the neighbor's place, though. That's theirs. Oh my God, Livy, it's okay. It's okay. Ready? Woo! Oh, that did not work. That did not work on my part. Let's try that again. You gotta go. You gotta, Livy, let go. Livy. You got Miss Moo. Oh, that's a good one. Let's go get your breakfast now that we went outside. Yeah. Oh, you want to play? You want to play? Ready? Ready? Ready, Livy? Woo! Where are your Cheerios? Oh, even more Cheerios. Thank you. Wanna go outside? Should we go for a walk? Wanna go outside? Yeah? All right, let's go. You're so funny. Oh, should we go outside? Yeah, okay. Can you do? Oh. Oh, the leaves are changing. Woohoo! Like all the leaves. Oh my goodness. All right, you can come out whenever you want. There you go. Woohoo! Oh, lovely. Livy, what you doing? You want to go down? I feel the rain starting to come down drop by drop, but we still got a ways away from home. Oh no. That's okay. I like the rain. Livy does not like the rain though. tuckered out. Look at this adorable napkin. Oh, it's so cute. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna grab my tea and sit. He does not know what to do with the big giant ball. Oh my goodness. What's he gonna do? What? Ready? Let me pick it up. Ready? Oh my goodness. Are you just not even ready? Oh. Where are you? Hiding. Oh my goodness. Oh, get it, Livy, get it. She doesn't even know. Oh my goodness, so scary. Oh, yeah? You are crazy. Is that crazy? You just don't even know. You just don't even know what to do. Yeah. All right, let's do it again. This one will bounce high. Here. Ready? You're so weird. Get it, Lily. Good job. See, it's not scary. It's nice. See, it's nice. Yeah, it don't do anything to ya. Hey guys, okay, so welcome to the part of the video where I explain what's going on. I know that intro is pretty long, but so that's kind of what my morning routine looks like on a day that I don't have to go anywhere. And that noise is Livy taking a very long drink because she's been running around. But, so today it is my weekend off, so it's Saturday. And it's supposed to rain, so I'm super duper duper excited about that. Ew, you just drooled all over me again. Livy, you're all wet. Go somewhere else. Ew. Ugh. Anyways, so I am under the weather a bit, and so is Liam. So we're gonna have a nice chill night tonight. Maybe watch a movie, something, maybe make some fall treats. We both have colds. I don't know, it's just been going around. Livy, I'm trying to make a video, dude. Thank you. And so I've still got some school, quite a bit of homework. So I'm gonna start with reading and taking notes and sipping on my tea. I know. I got this eucalyptus tea, and it's for throat coat, which is very nice right now. Livy, I'm trying to make a video. You gotta wait, dude. You gotta wait here. She's at my feet like this. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. So, yeah. But anyways, so I'm gonna get to that, and then you'll see in the rest of the video what happens. Livy, dude. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, really? We're good. We're good. All right, I didn't spill my tea at all. All right, we're just gonna call it a day, and that clip works. I'm gonna try reading if I can. If this puppy right here, this one who wants to be the center of attention all the time, if she will let me read. We'll see. Thank you. Thank you so much for my kissies and all the slobber. All right, school time. I've got some cozy autumn ambience noises and videos playing. She is just so sad that I have to do school. I've been playing with you all morning. Take a nap. Not quite yet.
Ready? We're gonna spin. We're gonna spin. We're gonna spin. You gotta come over here, and then we spin. Oh, you aren't. Okay. We're not gonna spin, I guess.
Alrighty. So we are going to go run some errands, get some dinner, and yep. Nothing too crazy though. We're still having a chill day.
Yeah.
And it's so cloudy, and I love it. Hey, so I am home now, and Liam just went home because he has to do some work and maybe some school, but mostly work. It is almost 7 p.m. We got pumpkins! I'm so happy with our pumpkins. Oh yes, I'm very excited about that. It is raining, and look how blue and gray it looks outside. Looks like there's a filter, but there isn't. I love it. Yeah, so I'm gonna get Livy, get an umbrella, and we're gonna take her outside. She does not like the rain, so should be interesting. We'll see how. Did it, Livy? You made it outside in the rain. Should we get you some dinner? Some water? Yeah, let's do it. She's all snuggled up in her bed. Oh, where's the leftover peanut butter in your cone? Yummy. All right. Time to go through my closet for real. I've already got these that I'm getting rid of. All right, I want to explain why. Hi, Libby. She's right there. Why I want to go through my closet. Why I just want to completely declutter. I'm just ready for a new feeling for me to wear in my house. I just feel like a lot of these clothes, like the person I am now, just wouldn't really wear them. It's not really my feel, my vibe. I don't want to downsize. I don't want to look in my closet and be like, that outfit's gonna make me feel like self-conscious about something. That outfit's gonna make me feel bad, or like it doesn't fit right anymore, or maybe it's just not really what I enjoy wearing now. Hello. Ready? Can you jump? Can you jump? Jump, jump. Oh, good job. So we're gonna go through it. Anything that I'm like, yes, I would definitely wear that, it's going. And it's going to a consignment thrift store, which I've already made $20 donating stuff there. And they're really great about helping out the community too. They have good clothes for low prices, and they have connections with all the other thrift stores in town. So I'm ready. We're gonna do this, we're gonna clean it out. And we've still got quite a bit to go. And my closet doesn't look bare at all. It looks like I didn't even make a dent. Wow. Look at all these hangers. That's just what was hanging up. So I got that big bag and that bucket. Now we're gonna start on shoes. Those are ones I know I'm getting rid of. And then I'm gonna go to my shoe closet. Yes, because I have a shoe closet. All right, here we go. And I'm gonna put Eclipse on while I do everything. Alrighty, I got my shoes cleared out. The ones I do and I don't want, and I've got Eclipse playing. So now I'm gonna grab my school book and stuff like that, sit on the couch and start reading and taking notes. And I also am gonna heat up my tea and probably grab a snack. I'm getting pretty hungry. All right, I got my teeth brushed, my face washed, and now I am going to go take Livy outside one last time. She's been so good laying down. And then it will be time for sleep. I'm tired. It is like almost 11:40, which isn't late for me, unfortunately, but I am tired. I want to go to bed. So that's what we're doing. Oh boy, Livy, it's raining hard. So we gotta go fast. I got my umbrella, okay? Not that that will protect you and you don't even like it, but we're gonna go. Livy, just go poop. It's so cold and rainy. I mean, I don't mind the rain, but it's cold. Jeez, scare the crap out of me. Why'd you gotta do it right on my foot? Ew. There you are. There's a good Livy. Hi. You did it. You went outside in the rain. Yeah. Alrighty. Now it's chill time for a moment while I get ready for bed, and then you'll go to bed too. There's Livy's bed. She sleeps next to me. She got all her toys and a little bit of water, a nice cushy bed, and then she got blankets, so it's like a little den for her. And then, yep, I've got my my little ambience going there. I'm gonna do a little bit of reading before bed and call it good.